हेलो स्टूडेंट, कैसे हैं आप? अ वेरी बिग गुड मॉर्निंग एंड जय हिंद टू ऑल क्लास 9th स्टूडेंट. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू सी from a Behave book. Our this Behave book, student, take out this. We have 3 parts of this book. We are going to take from Behave book. Yes, Behave book. Class 9. Today we are going to start a new poem. We are going to see a new poem, A Legend of the Northland. It is a very beautiful poem in a form of a story, right? And the poet is, who is the poet? Poet name, let us see. Poet name, it is Phoebe Cary. See here. Phoebe Cary, we are going to take today the introduction part. Now let us begin this poem. Page number open it, all of you 65. Here are some word meaning. Firstly I will read the poem. Away, away in the northland, where the hours of a day are few and the nights are so long in winter that they cannot sleep them through. Second stanza, where they harness. See the meaning harness. What is the harness? A piece of equipment used to control horse. It is a sticky like stick, that is called harness. And to the sledges when it snow and the children look like bear cubs in their funny clothes. Sledge. See the meaning of sledge? Is an object used for traveling over snow. Means it is a sledge. It is like a carriage cartage. So sledge. Third stanza. They tell them a curious story. Curious, wanted to know, eager. Eagerness, wanted to know. Tell to you. Tell short story, imagination, story short, imagine, imaginary way. Then the next, let us see. Once when some Saint Peter lived in the world below and walked about with preaching, sang. Now here preaching. Preaching means talk on a religious subject like Christianity, Hinduism, religious preaching to give a lesson. And sang, see here, sang means official honor for a Roman Catholic. So here it is given Saint Peter. Saint Peter. This poem consists of, now see, he came to the door of a cottage, he travelled round the earth. Saint Peter is travelling around the earth, where a little woman was making cakes and baking them on a head. And being fanned, used about things that you can see. Obviously, we have seen that this person is doing this, that is captive. And being fanned with fasting, for the day was almost done, he asked her from her store of cakes to give him a single one. Means he is angry, he used to take this. So this is the first page meaning that is in front of us. The second page here, scrap, a small piece of something, scrap. Provoke, make angry, means bring some teasings. Saint, official honor from the Roman Catholic. Saint Peter name is here given. Then dwell, old fashioned, dwell dash, see old fashioned type. Scanty, insufficient, less in numbers, not enough. Woodpecker, a bird with a strong beak. So these are 12 word meanings. I will send the screenshot of this. You will write in your classroom copy. So today we are going to see the introduction. Poem introduction. Now it is a very beautiful poem in a form of a story writing. In story way, It is looking so big. See the pages, see the poem. This poem is consist of 2.5 pages. See here. The poet Phoebe Cary has in a second stanza described about a story from Saint Peter, who is traveling on a horse, and a woman whose cottage house has been seen, and Saint Peter is hungry, so it is a conversation talking between in a form of a story. So it is a very interesting story. Homework tomorrow you will do the reading part. Today we have explained the introduction. Let us begin once again. Harness, a piece of equipment used to control. It is like a long rod. Sledge is an object used for traveling over snow. Curious, wanted to know, eagerness, tell story form. Preaching, talk on a religious subject, Hinduism, Buddhism, Muslim. Preaching, religious. Faint, use about things that you can see. This is 12 new word meaning from the poem. You will write in the class or copy and give. Scrap, a small piece. Kovac, make angry. Sand, name of a bitter. Dwell, old fashioned. Standing, insufficient, not clear. Woodpecker, a bird with a strong beak. So this is for today, students. I hope you all have remembered this word meaning. Kindly note down in class or copy, and tomorrow we will see the line by line explanation. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Have a nice day, students.